Alright, guys, let's make some Hong Kong egg tarts. Oh, yeah. So, I don't know about you, but I get depressed. Like, when it's the end of the day or the end of the weekend, I just get so like, oh my god, I didn't do anything, I didn't accomplish anything, I'm so lazy, I'm so, and I know that probably I should be able to look at that time and be like, I relaxed, isn't that great? Or honestly, a lot of times I do stuff during weekends. I'll be like, I did my laundry, I went for a walk, I talked to a friend. But you know how it is, it just, the sun goes down and you're like, wow, I'm a useless piece of shit. Anyway, I was like, you know what is something that you can do that's pretty easy, pretty fast? I was like, let's make something. Now, the problem with trying to make stuff is that, like, I usually don't have ingredients lying around the house. I don't know. It doesn't work very well. But what I do always have lying around the house, usually, is eggs. So I decided to make some egg tarts, like the kind that are at dim sum, or, you know, in Avatar, The Last Airbender, because I think about that show a lot. Air nomads eat them, so that's nice. Well, Earth Kingdom too, I guess. Aang clearly knew what they were when he saw the desert people have them. So I looked up a recipe. There's of course, all the recipes online are always different from each other. I will link the one that I ended up using below. What seems to be the main difference between Chinese puff pastries and the regular kind of puff pastries I use to make pie crusts is that the butter, first of all, gets sort of mixed with flour, and also there's an egg included in it. So that's the main difference, I guess. Anyway, it's really easy to make the filling, actually. You just sort of mix the eggs with some water and sugar and milk, and pour it into your crusts. So you could probably use non-Chinese crust if you want, and use your favorite crust filling, recipe. And you'd be fine. The recipe I used was only using, metric, which, me being a pathetic US citizen, I had no idea how to read. I was trying to do conversions, and I've included those in my little subtitles here, but, I don't know. It was all a mess. My things came out kind of burnt too. I think that I will try not to stretch the dough so much and fill it higher. That would help with dryness and with not letting the pastry get as burnt, I think. So I'll try to do that next time. It didn't turn out super pretty, but it did still taste good. And there you have it, Hong Kong egg tarts. I'm looking forward to making these again and doing a better job next time, hopefully.